Hello and welcome everyone to a new video in your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to find your comments history on YouTube. So first of all, we need to open youtube.com. Open youtube.com from your web browser and don't enter to the app. So for example, you can open Google Chrome or Safari or whatever web browser you have on your mobile phone and open youtube.com. Of course, you need to open your YouTube channel or YouTube account too. And after that, for Google Chrome users, you click on the three dots on the top right of the screen. And after that, as you can see, there is an option called desktop site. Desktop site. Click on it. And as you can see, you will see your page like this. You just need to go and click on the three lines on the top left of the screen, like this. And after that, you click on history. You click on history. Here on history, he will show you, of course, the history of the videos that you watch and everything. And you need to click on, there is a list on the right of the screen. And in this list, there is manage all history. And after that, there is comments. Click on comments. And as you can see, this page will take you to another page where you can find all of your comments history here, and you can delete even your comments if you want from this page, and that's it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and see you in the next video.